Hi, so today I wanted to explain the connection between the sun and vitamin D and how that relates to calcium and healthy bones, and then give you a practical example of why that's relevant to your pet. So, nice sunny day. The sun has two types of light, ultraviolet A and ultraviolet B. It's ultraviolet B, UVB, that hits your skin, and in your skin you have this poorly named thing, 7-dehydrocholesterol. You don't need to remember that, but basically it's in your skin. When the UVB hits it, interacts with it, it turns it into vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 then continues its journey to the liver. So the vitamin D3 heads to the liver, and in the liver it gets an upgrade, it gets changed into this substance called calcifediol, or also it's called calcidiol. After that, it super zooms to the kidneys. So it heads to the kidneys. This is the kidney, the green thing. The brown thing is just the ureter. So it heads to the kidney, and this is where vitamin D is activated. So it becomes active vitamin D. So it now becomes useful, and you can use it in the body. It's also called calcitriol. But why is this important, and how does it relate to calcium? So basically, calcium, you've eaten it in your diet and it's in your small intestines, but it's the active vitamin D that allows you to absorb that calcium so that you can use it and you can have, for example, healthy bones. Without the active vitamin D, you might have enough dietary calcium, but it's just swimming through the intestines and it's not really getting absorbed. So why is this important for your pet? Why is this important for veterinary medicine? Because you'll get an animal that comes in and it will have gammy legs. It will be, let's say, a pet bird or a pet lizard or something, and it will come in and it will have gammy legs. You do an x-ray, they're malformed, maybe a little bit broken here and there, and it's why there's confusion, because I'm feeding the pet enough calcium, there's enough calcium in my bird's diet, but yet the legs are grotesquely malformed, and it's because the owner hasn't supplied a light source. Because without the UVB, the bird, the lizard, the pet, whatever, cannot use the calcium to build a healthy skeleton.